Next section, individualization. What do you think about individualization? Detail going on. Individualization as a theory of decision taking by the individual engaged in living a life of one's own has emerged as an influential characteristics of contemporary society. To consider or treat individually, particularize, to modify to suit the wishes or needs of a particular individual. Can you define individualization? It is a process by which an individual is made independent of his or her groups. Look at this picture. The individualization means a single person separately concerned in the group and made independent. Aspects of individualization. First aspect, the process of becoming different from people, which means it is a process to attain a individual become a independent. Second, democratization, which means individual rights has been concerned. Individual needs has been protected by means of individualization process. Free competition. In a group, every individual freely compete with each other by means of process of individualization to attain their goals. 4. Social mobility means change of social status from lower to higher or higher to lower. If a person become individualized, can change their status from lower to higher in a group. 5. Aware of one's own specific character. Specific character means a unique personality of a person has been considered as a person become independent. 6. A new kind of evolution, which means it's new types of development. If a person become individualized, develop self as well as and concerning the development of groups. Seven, individual will consider himself superior to others. Everyone becomes superior, no one behind another by means of individualization process. 8, a feeling of self-glorification. If a person become individualized and happier and glorify himself. 9. Family condition. The family environment is a key to determine the individualization, including type of family, economic status of family, religion of family, family culture, etc. 10. Feeling of loneliness. According to this aspect, individualization process may feel lonely and cause negative effects. Process of individualization. First step in individualization process is decision making. Make independent. Second, self-determining. 3. Carried out individual himself. 4. Mental process. 5. Prevailing ideas. 6. Attaining one's own self. I would like to explain about individualization of a nursing student. The first process is that made independent. Every individual nursing student make decision, do every procedures independently. Second, self-determining, determining himself to do everything independently, then carried out individual himself. Then a student nurse do all the nursing procedures and assignments doing within himself. 4. Mental process. If a nursing students do all the activities independently, mind will be work, more cognitive process, more perception towards nursing, which cause prevailing ideas regarding nursing procedures and care, therapeutic interventions, etc. If a nurse getting enough idea regarding nursing practices, become independent, attaining one's own self and do all the nursing procedures independently and achieve the goal of nursing student as a professional. Individualization and health. Is individualization affect health status of people? Yes, it can be affect or influence the physical health, mental health, and social well-being. The individualized person has been experiencing less stress, which influences good physical health and mental health. The person stays away from non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular diseases and diabetes. The person free from mental health disorders such as depression and schizophrenia. Individualized person can be influenced each parts of society which manipulates social well-being and social health. Individualization versus nursing. The individualization is need for nursing professionals for professional competency to promote better care and professional skills. Second, self-esteem to getting self-confidence in their own practices and nursing services. 3. Self-actualization. If a nurse become individualized in their own profession and become self-actualized. 4. Individualized healthcare plan for chronic illness need individualization. 5. And advanced practice nurses and nursing practices need individualized decision making. 6. Individualized support for every patients. Every individuals are unique and unique support need from nursing services. This picture individualized healthcare plan for chronic illness. APN advanced practice. Look at this individualized support, this psychological support as well as social support. Individualized healthcare plans for chronic illness to every client for better care and cure, client oriented care and cure for the diseases and prevention of illness and promotion of health. Thank you. Have a nice day.